Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone podcast. My name is Kathy. There has been a new document drop today, May 20th, 2025. It is a court order signed 5 days ago on the 15th of May 2025. That is where you can find it on the court docket in Idaho versus Kohberger. This is entitled Order Sealing Defendant's Offer of Proof Regarding Alternate Perpetrators. It states the following. The court having before it the motion to seal defendant's offer of proof regarding alternate perpetrators and good cause appearing, now therefore it is hereby ordered defendant's offer of proof regarding alternate perpetrators shall be filed under seal pursuant to ICAR 32I and IC section 74124 1B and C. So ordered, May 15th, 2025, signed, Stephen J. Hippler, District Judge. By way of background, back in February, the state of Idaho filed an in limine motion. This was a motion pre-trial, that is what in limine means, regarding any defense offer of proof as to alternate perpetrators' evidence. This is a defense that is sometimes raised when a party who has been accused of a crime believes that there is an alternate, that there's someone else who actually committed the crime. This is very frequently used to raise reasonable doubt. Remember, the state of Idaho's burden is to prove every element of all 5 of the felonies that Mr. Kohberger will stand trial on this summer beyond a reasonable doubt evidentiary standard. The court on April 18th, 2025, ordered Mr. Kohberger to file his offers of proof relative to alternate perpetrators by the 14th of May, 2025, one day before the May 15th final pretrial conference in this case. Mr. Kohberger did 2 things on May 14th, 2025, pursuant to the record. Number 1, he filed this motion to seal defendant's offer of proof, and then he filed the offer of proof itself. The offer of proof, per the court docket, as we know, was not published on the docket. It appears on the case summary page. This motion, which is an application for a court order, that's what a motion is. It's merely one of the parties going to Judge Stephen J. Hippler and asking Judge Hippler to enter an order in the party's favor, granting whatever remedy or relief the party's asking for. Here, Mr. Kohberger, on May 14th, 2025, filed this motion that's addressed in the court order, asking for his offer of proof relative to alternate perpetrators be sealed from the public record. The entry of this order now does that. It will not appear on the public record until or unless Judge Hippler decides to unseal the offer of proof. Now, finally, there are 2 legal authorities that Mr. Kohberger has raised and that the court has agreed with that gives the court the grounds to seal this information from the public. There's a rule of law and there's a statute. One's passed by the Idaho Supreme Court, the judicial branch, the other by the legislature, and both give exceptions to control access to court records per the Idaho Public Records Act 74104. There's certain exceptions which Mr. Kohberger has raised here, asking the court agreed that this information should be sealed. This will now conclude this episode of the Indie Zone podcast. Thank you for joining us today.